Yo, what's good, family? Got a little unboxing here for y'all. Got this Penguin Venom hybrid. It is in an 8-slot dive case, which is why the box is so big. But yeah, gonna unbox this, get into this thing, y'all. I'm also filming on IG. Say hello to the YouTube Vic. And anybody popping in, and try to simulcast this, try to live stream it and film it with y'all. Oh, Vic requested. Yeah, y'all see that? He just said hello. Yo, bruh.
Come on,
Box it this way.
what's up?
Yo, John, DC, Kenny,
What's up?
what's up? Oh, I see it. I see it.
Size, man. You got a sneak peek. Yeah, size on the wrist.
I see.
Anyway, that's it. Check back tomorrow on my IG for better shots.
All right.
Yeah, you know what size that on real quick. My name ain't Trap DC. You know how to size this thing quickly.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, man. Looking forward to the unveil. Unveil. Sorry.
Take care, bro.
Yep.
Filming this on YouTube and got the live going. Got KCS, got DC in here. I'll open this up. Yo, Trap. What up? Yo, Texas T, what up? Show YouTube real quick. Got an 8-slot in here. Pop this open. Oh, we got a patch case. Oh. Can I slide it? Can I get it with one hand? Can I get it? My first patch case, y'all. Y'all see that, YouTube? My first patch case, 8-slot dive case. Yo, this thing is cool, man. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this for my pendants. Go ahead, pop this thing open. Appreciate you, John. Ooh. There we go. And what do we have here? Ooh, yeah. Got that mummy wrap. Try to show y'all and YouTube here. Ooh. Here we go. Got that Penguin Venom hybrid. Try to show YouTube. That thing is a beauty. Try to get the rest of this plastic off of here. And by the way, may the 4th be with y'all. Rocking the Darth Vader Star Wars Hydromax on the wrist today. Take the rest of the plastic off of here. This is my first Venom hybrid. First time seeing one in person. This thing is nice, yo. Yo, Hanky. Hanka, what up? How's it going, bro? Everything going good with you, bro? Hope everybody doing great today. Hope y'all all had a great day. Good Star Wars Day for the fans out there. Boom and boom. And there we go. Got that DC medallion case back. Here we go, y'all. I know, Trap. I know, right? That plastic be fighting, bruh. Like a UFC fighter, man. Hey, my first Venom hybrid. Got the umbrella over there. I like those colors on there. Yo, the champ is in the building. What up, Weez? Congratulations on that win, bruh. Hope you ready for another battle. I'm sure someone gonna be coming for that title pretty soon. You know, my battle Thursday, bruh. Yeah, show YouTube real quick. Go YouTube. Go to Penguin Venom Hybrid, yo. It's a real nice piece. It's like a specialty case and bracelet. Venom Gen 2 bezel. Normal 5 function pushers. Yeah, this thing is nice. But yep. That's it for the YouTube video today, y'all. Appreciate you dropping by. The review will be coming of this beautiful hybrid. I hope y'all take care out there. Stay happy and healthy. Love y'all.